All right, so you're a skilled tradesperson in Texas, and you've got that dream of being your own boss. Well, let me tell you, you are in the right place at the perfect time. Today, we're going to break down exactly where the opportunities are and how you can build a seriously profitable service business right here in the booming Texas market. Let's dive in.
Man, that quote really hits home for anyone who's ever even thought about it, right? It's a tough road, there's no doubt about it, but the rewards, they're just immense. Our goal here is to give you a kind of strategic roadmap to help you make those smart choices right up front that lead to that awesome, rewarding outcome.
So, first things first, let's set the stage. Why Texas? And more importantly, why right now? We're about to unpack the real economic drivers that are creating what is basically a golden age for skilled trades in the state.
You know, it all starts with people. Almost 400,000 new residents moved to Texas in just 1 year. I mean, think about that for a second. That's not just some number on a slide. That's an entire city's worth of new customers who need homes built, services done, and upgrades installed. This population boom is the fuel for literally everything else we're going to talk about.
And where do all those new people live and work? Well, in new buildings, of course. This has just lit a fire under the construction sector, creating nearly 1 million jobs. And get this, that number is up 30% in just the last decade. This boom creates this huge wave of opportunity for every single specialty trade that comes after. Now here's where it gets really interesting. It's the momentum. At 4.8% growth year over year, construction isn't just growing, it's actually growing faster than the state's overall job market. So the key takeaway here is that this engine of opportunity isn't just big, it's actively accelerating. It's speeding up.
Okay, so we've got that foundation set. Now, let's get specific. We've scouted the whole landscape and found 10 high-margin trades that are just ripe for the picking. Think of these as 10 open lanes on the highway to starting your very own business.
First up, hardscaping. In Texas, the backyard is basically a second living room. I mean, you've got these long outdoor seasons, sprawling new suburbs. It means the demand for patios, fire pits, you name it, is just relentless. The real opportunity here isn't just laying pavers. It's becoming the go-to pro for stylish, standardized outdoor packages that you can complete super efficiently in all those new housing developments.
Lane number 2, garage floor coating. Okay, this is a perfect example of a cultural shift. The Texas garage isn't just for parking anymore. It's a workshop, a gym, a hangout spot. So where's your competitive edge? It's in meticulous concrete prep. That's the one step where the big franchises often cut corners to save time, and it is the absolute secret to a job that lasts and gets you a ton of referrals.
Next up, cabinet refacing. This is tailor-made for that massive stay and upgrade crowd. You know, the people who love their neighborhood but just can't stand their dated kitchen anymore. A reface gives you that huge visual impact without the massive 5-figure cost of a full remodel. It's just a huge return on investment for homeowners.
Now let's talk gutter installation. This business has 2 incredible demand drivers. 1, every single new house being built needs them, and 2, every big Texas thunderstorm makes people realize theirs are failing. The really smart play here is to build a reliable, local business that's focused on permanent water management solutions. That's how you set yourself apart from all those out-of-town storm chasers.
Window tinting? I mean, in Texas, this is a total no-brainer. The sun is just relentless. And this isn't about luxury. It's about being comfortable and having lower energy bills. The opportunity here is to become the expert on both comfort and compliance, knowing the visible light transmission or VLT legal limits for how dark car tints can be, and building up referral partnerships with car dealerships and property managers.
And seriously, who has time to go to the car wash anymore? Mobile auto detailing just thrives on convenience for professionals who don't have a lot of time. But the real win here isn't chasing one-off jobs. It's building predictable, recurring revenue through subscription plans for office parks and local business fleets.
We've also identified 4 more specialized lanes. You've got epoxy flooring for those super durable commercial and garage surfaces, and powder coating for high-quality finishes on metal parts. Then you have seasonal plays like holiday lighting and some high-stakes, regulated work like fire suppression systems. These are all really great niches, but they do tend to require more specialized gear or licensing.
Okay, I know. 10 options is a lot. So if we apply the 80-20 rule, which of these really offer the best balance of high demand and manageable startup viability for a new entrepreneur? Well, we've narrowed it down to the top 3 smartest plays in Texas right now. And here they are, our top 3 smartest plays. Coming in at number 1, hardscaping, for creating those essential outdoor living spaces. Number 2, garage floor coating,
tapping right into that finished garage trend. And number 3, gutter installation, which is a non-negotiable for every new build and every big storm.
So why these 3? Well, it really boils down to a few key reasons. First, they all have constant, steady demand from that new construction boom. Second, you can start them without needing a bunch of complex licenses or huge loans. Third, they tap directly into how people in Texas actually live. They love their backyards and their garages. And finally, you can build a really efficient, repeatable, route-based business model around each one.
Okay, so we've covered the big picture opportunities all across Texas. But now it's time to zoom in on the only picture that really matters, yours.
Because, look, it's one thing to know that hardscaping is a great business in Texas. But is it a great business on your street, in your town, for you? How do you really know if your specific idea is actually viable?
You know, answering that question used to mean weeks of research. So to make it way easier, we built a tool called the Bypass Capital Viability Scan. It's a free AI-powered analysis that does all that heavy lifting for you. In about 5 minutes, you can put in your idea and your location, and it'll analyze real-time market data to show you just how viable your business could be.
So, what does it actually look at? Well, it scans for 4 crucial things: the real market demand in your specific zip code, the number and strength of competitors you'd be up against, how your personal experience fits into the puzzle, and finally, it even looks for any underserved little niches you could target.
And the best part? The result isn't some long, complicated report. It's a single number, your viability score. It's a straightforward data-backed score from 1 to 100 that tells you exactly where your idea stands in your market right now. It just cuts through all the guesswork.
Knowing the market is half the battle. This tool really helps you win the other half. Just go to bypasscapital.com/vscan and get your free personalized score. It might just be the smartest 5 minutes you can spend before you invest a single dollar.
And hey, one last thought. If you know somebody else who's always dreaming of starting their own business, share this with them. Helping them move from just a vague idea to a real data-backed plan, well, that could be the exact push they need to finally make it happen.